Hi, my name is Matt. I am a perimeter security specialist with CAS Perimeter, here to narrate a few animations that will show some of the unique capabilities a CAS perimeter system can offer to your security plan. The first feature to our system is our standard Dusk Dawn feature. This is the industry lingo for automatically turning the lights on and off based on ambient light levels. Most outdoor lighting systems use photocells or solar cells to determine when the sun is up and when the sun goes down. This requires exposure of the system to the sun and can create a security issue, as vandals can simply shine a flashlight into a solar cell and turn all of your lights off at night. Additionally, a solar cell is not a precise piece of equipment, and if your security plan requires multiple power supplies in multiple zones, then you take the risk of having your lights out of sync. So one zone could turn on at some time, another zone could turn on at a different time, as ambient light levels can drastically differ based on things like shade. By removing the solar cell and standardizing an astronomical clock in our power supplies, the power supply will detect exactly where it is in the world and automatically determine what the dusk to dawn settings will be. These settings can be adjusted with an offset to have the lights turn on and off based on the sun, preventing manual configuration during the year, as well as allowing our power supplies to be fully enclosed for added protection and security, with a much more precise timing element that allows for better synchronization in multiple zones. This feature can be used with any of our luminaires, but is optimized with our Generation 2 products, such as our CPL2 and Generation 2 wall pack, that cover longer runs up to 700 meters, and our lower power Generation 3 luminaires as listed below, such as the CPL38 and the CPL312. Our FLASHGLARE feature is our unique integration capability that allows security integrators to tie in alarm outputs to our power supply using one of the 3 dry contact triggers in our DCAI series power supplies. The DCAI series power supplies offer a manual input, pre-alarm input, and alarm input, with the pre-alarm and alarm inputs offering adjustable configurations to the lights during an alarm event. By setting the flash on duration, flash off duration, flashing period, and stay on for each input. This feature is only as precise as the security systems it is tied into, but provides the security designer with additional deterrent capabilities, as our lights will only turn on during an alarm event. To help with the precision of our security camera analytics, we offer an adjustable infrared luminaire, the Night Owl, that can be set up to make camera motion sensors more accurate at night for pre-alarm zones. The alarm zone input on our power supply overrides the pre-alarm zone for any intruders that may breach the pre-alarm and immediately try to jump onto the fence. This alarm zone is best configured with items such as seismic motion sensors, such as the Protect G-Fence system, or even microwave motion sensor systems, and is best utilized with our higher power Generation 3 product line, or the Generation 2 wall packs, depending on the type of fence or wall you have. The zones typically range from about 400 to 1,000 feet. That's why these systems are best used with our Gen 3, as they're much more powerful units, and likely you don't want to set up a 700 meter zone that turns off or on when an intruder breaches. So this system is best utilized for smaller security zones and a much higher security plan. Now, one of the more advanced capabilities of our system is in our Generation 3 22 watt and 33 watt luminaires, allowing each drive bank to be wired separately and independently of each other, effectively allowing you to create a dusk to dawn feature that's standard. As the sun goes down, you're going to have lights on your perimeter, and then during an intrusion alarm, you're able to double the light output by turning the other drive bank on through the flash glare or alarm or pre-alarm zone trigger. So this gives you the best of both worlds. So it shows an intruder that they've been compromised as the light output doubles once they reach or breach your perimeter, as well as keeping everything secure every time it's dark outside by allowing light to be on your perimeter at all times. And finally, we realize this is a unique system, So we're here to help with all of your design needs, and we also offer a certified installer program. We go more in depth on how to configure, install, as well as how to design and spec the correct equipment based on various security needs. And we go a little bit deeper into the capabilities of the cache perimeter security system and some of the special orders and special products we can develop to fit your security design. Feel free to check out the link below. It shows how to install one of our systems at a very high level, or contact me if you need any design advice, if you have any open designs you'd like me to help with. We're here to help at the end of the day. We want you to be successful, and please feel free to reach out. Thanks.